Hi guys, welcome back to Chocolate Therapy by Nishi. In this video tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to make this beautiful black and white whipped cream cake. For this, I have used my moist chocolate cake recipe, a link to which I will leave in the description box below. Here I am attaching my 8-inch chocolate cake to a 12-inch board with a little whipped cream so that it sticks and stays in place. Next, I am adding a generous amount of whipped cream and smoothing it out. I've melted a little chocolate ganache and drizzling that over just for that added chocolate goodness. I repeat this for all my layers. I baked 2 8-inch round cakes and have cut them in half so that I have a total of 4 layers. Finally, after filling and stacking my cakes, I am adding a crumb coat here. It doesn't have to be perfect since we are going to cover it with another layer of whipped cream. After finishing the crumb coat, you need to chill the cake in the fridge for at least 15 to 20 minutes for the crumb coat to set. I am piping a small amount of white whipped cream at the bottom since I had a little bit of portion uncovered and I didn't want any black whipped cream in between the layers. And finally, fill in any gaps or unevenness that you see in the cake and go over it again with an offset spatula or a bench scraper. I am decorating this cake with some black and gold stars that I made out of gum paste earlier and had them dry out completely. For the topper, I had cut out the numbers 7 and 0 and had 2 skewers attached to each of them so that once it dries, it's easier to place on top standing. Here I have my black stars attached to a floral wire dried completely and I'm just placing them randomly at the top. For the gold stars, I start out with a yellow gum paste as it would show out the gold better than using any other color. I let my yellow stars dry and then with the help of a small brush, I'm brushing each star with a generous amount of gold luster dust. And it sticks pretty easily as you can see and turns into this beautiful golden star. And just like my black stars, I have these golden stars on a floral wire dried completely and I'm placing them on the top of the cake randomly. And here you have it guys, a beautifully decorated chocolate cake in black and white whipped cream with black and golden stars. Isn't it stunning? If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Happy baking!